up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Today, I'm bringing y'all a gas or trash review. Now, this is a fragrance that I've already done a first impression on, had some time to spend with it, and now I'm ready to bring y'all a full review. Is this fragrance gonna be gas?
Look at that car.
Is it on fire?
Or is this some trash?
That shit is fucking trash, dog. Get the fuck off the airwaves.
Y'all don't even need to worry about it. Y'all know what to do, man. Let's get it. What, YouTube? So as you know, hey man, we got a gas or trash review. I would like to give one more message before we really do get started. We focus on FFL over here, but at the same time, we focus on B.O.B. Balling on a budget. We try to find you designer, niche quality fragrances at budget-friendly prices. If we can get a rack store price, we're gonna try to get that too. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there that already know what we talk about, you already know about the FFL, you already know about the B.O.B, and you damn sure know we gonna have you looking good, smelling good, feeling good. Salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. Let's talk gas or trash now. So the fragrance I'm bringing out today is from the house of Armaf. More specifically, Magnificent Pour On to be exact. Let's talk presentation. Now the overall presentation on the case isn't bad. This is nice. Now it does come with a little gemstone, rhinestone, and this just came, it literally just came off. It's one of those things where it's just glued to it, so I see how it was easy to come off. I don't know what I thought it was originally. This is all it is, man. And when you do get it, this is like damn near glued to it. So just make sure that you're careful with that. But once you get it open, you just open that up like so, and your fragrance will be right inside. It looks like this once it's all said and done, even though as you see, this case is not protecting the fragrance as much. Like this bitch moves around a lot, so just be mindful of that. And then as far as the overall bottle goes, similar structure as the case itself, but this one, nice bottle, man. The bottle definitely has a lot of weight to it. This shit is heavy. This ain't nothing, no cheap quality about this at all. Nice. Now I wouldn't say it snugs into place. It does click into place, but it doesn't snug into place, because if you do this too hard, this will be able to drop. So you just want to make sure you grab it from the base and not from the top. That way you don't break your bottle. Armaf stamp at the top of the fragrance. Nothing around the bottle as well. Nice little rhinestone. And then up front we just have Armaf Magnificent Pour On. And for anybody else that's interested in batch code number, this is batch code number 349491. Let's talk notes now. Up top, we got grapefruit, bergamot, gallivanum. In the mid, we're gonna have some apple, spices, and ginger. And then in the base, we got vanilla, suede, woody notes, musk, cedar, and patchouli. The experience with this fragrance is one that is classy, but somewhat youthful, but at the same time, still sophisticated. I'll break that down for y'all. And the opening of this fragrance is gonna come off very bright, but at the same time, spicy. The brightness feeling is going to be coming from the grapefruit and the bergamot, while the spicy notes is going to be coming from the actual spices itself and the ginger. Now, when it comes to the spicy aspect of it, you are going to get more ginger spice than regular spice. It somewhat smells flat more so than sharp. And then you have a nice sweet undertone from the apple that's in the mid, and that you already get in the initial opening of the fragrance. You do get a little bit of a suede feeling in the opening as well, so you can see where the fragrance is gonna transition, as well as a very faint hit of musk. So in the opening, you can be expecting a bright, spicy, sweet fragrance with a little bit of a suede and musk undertone. The ginger is gonna be the main player that you're gonna notice throughout the mid, and even as it's in the mid, the citrus notes from the opening is still lingering throughout this point of the fragrance. And once the fragrance dials down all the way to the base, it becomes a nice suede, vanilla, earthy dry down of a fragrance with still cues of that citrus being there, just not as dominant as it was in the initial opening. Y'all know what's up. Ain't no gas or trash review without talking about the pass method. Lego. Performance on this is gonna be anywhere around 7 to 8 hours with average CI. So don't expect this to be a beast mode fragrance, but do expect this to be a fragrance to where if you were to carry this to work, you will be good throughout that whole work shift. Accessibility. Another one of those online only fragrances. Now, depending on where you're located at, you might have a local shop that might have certain Armaf, Lacoste fragrances, but there's not as many of those out there. So you do want to focus on online, and if you do, you're going to be looking at around that $30 to $40 price range at online discounters. Scent profile. Listed as an amber spicy fragrance. Now, it does have a little bit of a warm feeling, but not as much. But you are going to get that spices up top. Some of the accords that I mainly get are the woody, vanilla, and citrus accords. And as I explained in the beginning of the video, very bright opening, followed by some sweet and spicy accords. Yeah, man, this is nice. So I'll say it's pretty accurate in what is listed and how it's broken down. So it's pretty fair as far as the scent profile is lined up. Situations. This is going to be a casual business office style fragrance. You can wear this around doing casual things, but I can see this more so being a great scent for somebody who spends a lot of time in the office, but is also very fresh in their career. My people that are around that 22 on up range, now I'm not gonna go up to 45 and stuff because they might like a more classier scent. This one with the citrus accord, the vanilla sweetness in the dry down, might come off a little bit too youthful for somebody that's in a more mature class, but somebody that's just now getting started off in the business, this will be a nice scent for them. Overall, this shit is gas.
Hit that, son.
This is a gas fragrance, man. If you've ever smelled Pure Excess by Paco Rabanne, this is an exact clone of that. Citrus in the opening, spices in the mid, earthy, features in the dry down. Now, as far as the density and quality, Pure Excess does come off a little bit more richer and a little bit more dense than what Magnificent by Armaf is coming off. They're pretty damn close. But I don't know, man, I could be wrong. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. If you have this one and you have Pure Excess, let us know what you think. Are they similar? Or even if you just have Magnificent by Armaf, what do you think about that fragrance? Situations you will wear it in, how do you like it, and what mood does it put you in? Let us know down in the comment section, that way we can help somebody out. You never know who's watching. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. E4G, truly blessed. That's them for greatness. We out.